Hi, I'm Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween look using everyday makeup again, and today I'm doing the broken doll. So if you'd like an easy way of how to do this with just the makeup you've got at home, then continue watching.
I'm going to start off saying that I'm not a makeup artist. I just love to play around with makeup and have like really fun, crazy makeup ideas. First off, I'm just going to start doing my regular makeup, so primer, concealer, and then foundation, and then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm now using a medium brown to contour. I didn't want it to be too dark, but I also didn't want it to be too light, so I thought going in the middle is better than nothing. So I'm just contouring my nose, my head, my cheekbones, and then I'm going to pop on some blush to make my cheeks nice and rosy. Now it's time to do the eyes. I'm going to be using this nice pink colour just for the base on my eyelids. Then I'm going to get a light burnt orange and then put that on my eyelids, and then I'm going to get a really dark burnt orange and then I'm going to put that in the creases on the ends of my eyelid. Now I'm going to be using a flat brush and this lovely rose gold colour and tap that on my eyelid. It's always best to tap because it goes on a lot better. Now with the bronzy eyeshadow, I'm going to be using it to highlight, so under my eyebrows, on my nose, on my cheekbones and above my top lip. And then with the liquid eyeliner, I'm going to line my lids. And I'm going to use a black eyeliner, basically go to the places that the liquid eyeliner couldn't go on, or the edges of my eyes, and then I'm going to mimic my eyelids and basically draw underneath my eyes, then colour them in white, and then with the liquid eyeliner again I'm going to draw on some lashes. Now it's time to start with the cracked and broken pieces on my face. I'm just going to get the black eyeliner again, draw some marks quite thick for where it's broken, and then some lines to where it is cracked. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to get the white eyeliner and then basically lighten some areas just so it looks more realistic. I've also darkened some of the areas where the lines join together so you can see where it's broken. You will see me sharpening and wiping the white pencil a lot. This is so if it picks up any of the black or any of the makeup underneath, it doesn't come out any other colour than white basically. I'm going to be doing some shading now with some dark brown eyeshadow and a really fine brush, just to basically put it underneath where I haven't put any of the white, just so obviously it gives it more of a 3D effect. Next I'm going to be using a red lip liner to mark out my lips. I basically need to go over my cupid's bow and then kind of draw a circle just so it looks like my lips are kind of plump and pouted basically. And then fill it in with some lipstick. So that is my broken doll look complete. Like I said, I'll be doing these every Sunday in October. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're wanting to see my other looks in October, please don't forget to subscribe. but I hope you have an amazing rest of the day and I will see you soon. Bye!